Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2018 Kia Soul, and on this Kia Soul we're going to go over how you can change your date and time. So it's just as simple as on the top from any of the screens you can just tap the phone option. If you even go back to the home, or not the phone option, you can tap the time and then it gives you the option to change your date and time. You can also go through the setup and find the time display right here, your date and time, and it will give you the same place, but really you can just tap right there and it'll bring you here. Then you can change your date to any date. You can have it on daylight savings or you can have it on 24-hour, right? But and then your AM, PM, and that's the way you can change your time. And then when you're done, you can just hit back and you can hit back again, go back to your main home screen. You can also set it up that when you turn this off, your time will always be sitting on there so that you know what time it is in a clock form. So that's how you can easily change your time on your 2018 Kia Soul. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.